Should India formally ally with the US by institutionalizing the Quad like NATO? Should India make its own alliance with smaller countries like Southeast Asian nations, Brazil? Basically, US can the US be trusted to help India against China unconditionally, or is it just using us as a pawn against China? What is the American national interest? To ensure that the United States remains the only superpower and the only global hegemon. And it will use various pieces on the chessboard to counterbalance China. And India is one of those chess pieces. It is not a pawn, it is a slightly larger piece, but it is a chess piece that the US is using to counterbalance China and try to destabilize possibly China. India is not doing anything to destabilize China, but the US would like to use India in the future in that manner in some way. So can the US be trusted to help India? The US can be trusted to pursue its national interest. That's what the US can be trusted to do. The US cannot be trusted to help anybody else achieve their own national interest. The US will only pursue its own national interest. When their national interest converges with India's national interest, we will work together. When it does not, we will not work together. That's how it works. Now what India should do is India should do whatever is best for its long term national interest in the immediate term and the long term and the medium term. So right now India is basically having a de facto quasi alliance with the US and the so called quad countries, Australia, Japan, India, and the US. It's not a formal alliance, it's a loose confederation of sorts. There is no actual military alliance at all, but it could in the future perhaps go in the direction depending on how China behaves. So it's a reactive arrangement, it's not a proactive arrangement. So there is nothing unconditional in geopolitics. The Americans are doing what suits them best. Right now, our interests ally. What should India do in the long run? In the long run, India should emerge as a global power on its own right. I don't mean that India should be a hegemonic power, an oppressive power, an expansionist power, but India should be secure in its own strength, and India should have a significant region of power projection and various kinds of influence that exceeds its current international borders. It should be in a position to rearrange the geopolitical arrangements outside, beyond its borders. So that's what defines a great power. So that's what India should aspire to. India has everything it needs to become a great power in as much as short as a decade, if it wants to. If it can get its internal problems right, if it can basically get that right. So that's what India needs to do. That's what I hope India does. It will be good for the world. India is not an expansionist power. India is a benevolent power, has always been a benevolent power. So a strong and powerful India would be good for the entire world overall. So that's what India should aspire to do, but not in the next 500 years, in the next 10 to 20 years. So that's what I hope happens.